is our first morning in the mountains, and as per my outfit, we are going hiking. We're gonna drive the cars up to the mountain, right? Then we'll start hiking from up there. It's almost 7 a.m. and this is our starting time. Eating again, let's this watch on my campaign. We come from all the way around there to here. This was so good. We made it back to the campsite.
This wind is not.
It's time to go. We are on to activities for the main day here.
Nose. I'm not sure.
We are having a picnic today.
Take it.
The food on here is too good. I'm gonna play games for the rest of the evening, so I'll see you.
We're not gonna fight, okay?
Nah.